guys, let me explain first. It's like when I woke up on this morning, then I was gonna go see my fish right there. But after that, I see right there, there's a beautiful bird. Then I tell my father, look at that bird, it's so beautiful. Then my father say, oh wow. Then after that, he tried to touch it, but he carried it. Then he tell us, do you want to take care of the bird? I mean, the parrot is a parrot. So, guys, do you want to see the parrot? Okay, let me show you. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let me cover it. It's a surprise. Go. Look at that. Look at that. Hi, say hi. Look at that parrot. Look at that, guys. Look at that. He's staring at me. Look at that. Look at that. But my father say only if like she or whatever. If the parrot will know us well, we only can touch, cause the parrot will bite you. Look at that. Hi. Okay, guys. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe, like, and share. Hey guys, bye. You guys can go see my fish. Okay, guys. You know something just like happened is my father brought 50 fish for $5. So do you guys want to see that? Actually, yeah, he brought the fish for 50. He brought the fish, right? 50 fish, small fish, only cost $5. Like, I don't know what to say is, my father brought the fish. 15 fish cost $5, but it's small fish, not giant. Actually, it's like that. The fish is actually for this fish. Look at that. We changed the pond. We changed the place already because look at it. It's bigger than my hand. Wait, guys. Okay. Let me do this. Oh, come on, come here. Okay, guys, look at that. Look at that, it's bigger than my hand. It's literally bigger than my hand. Oh, you're scared? Look at that. Huh? Come on, Sky. Okay. I think it's a girl or a boy, but I named it Sky because I'm the first one who watched it. Come on, Sky, come on here, Sky, come. Look at that. Later, are you hungry? Are you hungry? Are you hungry, little buddy? Are you hungry? Are you hungry?
Guys. Oh, I want to see this now. Các cái nhà răng to.
Yeah, 妈妈长大才看到那个小鸟放屁。
看到谁？
小鸟放屁呀！
小鸟放屁，想放哦。我看一下想放。
Good then. It's poop. Okay, let me. You guys see that? There's poop right there.
这个有没有放进来？
Bye. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Subscribe, like, and share. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Look at you. Look at you. Look at you. Look at you. You love your new home? Can you tell everyone? Do you love your new home? Do you love it? You want to fly? You want to fly? Huh? 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 Look at this, guys. It's very dirty right now, but okay, guys, thanks for watching. Bye.